Welcome to the PLA Spotlight series. In this video we show you how to activate PLA 3.0 add-ons on a computer without internet connection. With PLA 3.0.5 and newer versions, add-ons allow you to easily extend your work environment with new features. They provide extensions such as analytical methods and data acquisition modules. When PLA has an active internet connection, simply activate an add-on to download and install it. Otherwise, follow the procedure described in this video for a manual add-on import. Before you start, use a computer with an active internet connection to download the add-ons you need from our website biosa.de and make the files available to the computer running PLA. Once the add-on files are available, open Add-on Management from the System menu. Start the add-on import from the context menu. Open the downloaded add-on file. The add-on now has been added to your local repository. Now, to use the add-on, simply activate it in your database. Some add-ons contain sample documents and templates. If you want to work with them, you have to add them to your database. But you can cancel this step for now because the data is not needed for activation. Enjoy your work with PLA 3.0. If you want to know more about PLA 3.0 and its add-ons, visit our website.